Christian here, out here at one of my buddy's private ponds, and he should be here in a little bit, as well as Colton should be here in a little bit. Kinsey already got in there. She couldn't help herself, but nice little pond out here. A bunch of people shooting some rounds off over there, but pond got a nice little cut, and it goes way back up in there too. So I'm gonna go ahead and get after it. I fished this pond maybe 2 times. One time out here on a John boat. Had a good time, caught a couple fish. Just got off the phone with Colton a little bit ago. We were talking about it. I guess some kid just got caught a 10-pounder out of this thing. And then he proceeds to take it to his pond and put it in his pond. That's just freaking ridiculous. Good one out here. Is that the buzzbait?
Yep, yeah. Abatron.
Throwing a bad boy. Got him a good one. Ooh.
Yeah, maybe.
He's pissed. What was that? That's probably a mid-4, maybe 5. Fat belly. Holy crap. Damn, that's still spawning. That's crazy.
Yeah, this is massive. Big enough to be any bigger than
Yeah, that's a pretty good one. He's a little over 4. He's right above the 4 line. A little over 4, look at a little welt on him.
Yeah, that's alright. Snag
He ain't getting back in the water probably.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, man. It's a good one. Oh yeah. Okay, it's starting to get dark, but I'm about to tie a frog on mine and yeah, throw some frog around. What do you mean?
Because I've always posted these hogs on my Snapchat.
Oh, I know.
Don was like, man, I'm gonna piss you off.
Yeah, he was telling me that the other day. It's hilarious. Yeah, Colton's getting people jealous on the Snapchat with all his hogs on big old fish.
I got people always asking me to take them fishing. What do I do? What am I using? Where do I fish at? Every pond I go to.
You need to start guiding Mustang ponds. You got another one? Colt's hooked up over here. Heck yeah, man.
You don't fish
On the buzz.
black buzzbait at night. What are you doing with your life?
I don't know. I need to tie something else on, I guess. I'm throwing a frog. He's probably one.
Man, they get that hook so good, right in the side of the jaw.
Yeah. Heck yeah.
Not bad for Thursday night.
Yeah, no doubt. There you go.
Not bad for Thursday.